waste
I finished my play. If you write a story, you only have to say the word castle, and you can see the towers and the woods and the village below. But in a play, it all depends on other people.
Saw him then?
Yes, I saw him.
Just as you see me.
I know it was him.
You know it was him? Or you saw him?
Yes, I did. I saw him.
Your own eyes?
Yes, I saw him. I saw him with my own eyes.
I'd forgotten.
You'd forgotten? What a thing.
I'd forgotten what this town is like. What were you planning to do, Miss Kelly? Keep me away from Jim? Stop me from going back to America? Perhaps you didn't even know. My name is Ailish Fiorello. And one day, the sun will come out. You might not even notice straight away. It'll be that faint. And then you'll catch yourself thinking about something or someone who has no connection with the past. Someone who's only yours. And you'll realize that this is where your life is. I wish I could live through something.
Aren't you?
Nope. The only exciting thing about 2002 is that it's a palindrome.
Christine?
Ladybird.
Is that your given name?
Yeah.
Why is it in quote?
Well, I gave it to myself. It's given to me by me.
Okay.
Everybody says don't, everybody says don't, everybody says don't, it isn't right. Don't, it isn't nice. Everybody says don't, everybody says don't, everybody says don't walk on the... Ah!
I'd have friends over all the time to study and eat snacks. I'd be like, Mom, we're taking the snacks upstairs to the TV room.
There is no role of the Tempest. It is the titular role.
No, it's a made-up thing so we all can participate.
You can't do anything unless you're the center of attention, can you?
Yeah, well, you know your mom's tits, they're fake, totally fake.
She made one bad decision at 19.
Two bad decisions.
Sweet like honey to my soul. Sweet you rock and sweet you roll. Lost for you.
Hi, Mom and Dad. It's me, Christine. It's the name you gave me. It's a good one. Dad, this is more for Mom. Hey, Mom. Did you feel emotional the first time that you drove in Sacramento? I did, and I wanted to tell you, but we weren't really talking when it happened. All those Bens I've known my whole life, and stores, and the whole thing.
But I wouldn't, all right?
you would,
I'm,
Joe.
look at me. I'm homely and I'm awkward and
I
I'm
love you,
odd.
Joe.
And you'd be ashamed of
I
me.
love you, Joe.
And we would quarrel because we can't help it even now.
I'd hate elegant society, you'd hate my scribbling, and we would be unhappy, and we'd wish we hadn't done it, and everything would be horrid.
Is there anything more?
No, nothing more.
All right.
Except that... Teddy, I don't believe I will ever marry. I'm happy as I am. And I love my liberty too well to be in any hurry to give it up.
I think you're wrong about that, Joe.
No.
I think you will marry Joe. I think you'll find someone and love them, and you will live and die for them because that's your way, and you will.
And you will always be a critic and never an author, and the world will forget that you ever even lived.
Oh, I'm sure they will.
But no one will forget Joe March.
I just feel like women, they have minds and they have souls as well as just hearts, and they've got ambition and they've got talent as well as just beauty. And I'm so sick of people saying that love is just all a woman is fit for. I'm so sick of it. But I'm so lonely.
Done.
And you don't need to decide about the copyright right now.
No, I've decided. I want to own my own book.
I don't want you to leave. I want you to stay.
You do?
Yes.
But I would never leave if you wish me to stay.
No, I want you to stay.
I have nothing to give you, Joe.
It doesn't matter.
My hands are empty.
They're not empty.